Now to solve this expression, we first need to evaluate the factorial. So now the factorial says 2 factorial is equal to 2 multiplied by 1 is equal to 2. Now the trap, incorrect. The trap occurs when one follow the acronic PEMDAS or a board mass too strictly, assuming that addition must always be performed before subtraction. So add the numbers at the end. Now 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, and then second step says subtract the first number. Now 5 minus 5 equals to 0. So this is the wrong answer. By adding first, you are effectively treating the problem like 5 minus 3 plus 2. So in the original expression, the 3 is being subtracted, not added. Now the truth says correct answer. In the standard order of operations, addition and subtraction have the equal priority. So when they appear together, you must solve from left to right. Now subtract the 3 from 5 first. Now 5 minus 3 equals to 2, and the second step, add the results to the factorial value. 2 plus 2 equals to 4, and this is the final answer. So I will meet in the next video. Bye bye.